behind you. Make that tight fist. Now I want you to show me a hammer fist right here. Go. Whoa, that was a hard one. I think you're going to break it easy. Okay? You ready, ma'am? Okay, when I put it up there, you can break it. Give me one. Nice job, ma'am. Very good.
I didn't know.
That was a loud pop on that one. When there are loud pops on the boards, that means you could have probably broken 2 or 3 maybe. Sir, nice job of staying in that position. Check those feet, ma'am. Put those feet all the way together. Starting position. Ready. Right in the middle. Let's have loud pop. Oh, man. Nice one, sir. Very good. He sure did. You ready, ma'am? Come on up. Yes, sir. Starting position. Tight fist. Bring that hand straight down. Focus. Whoa, man, that was a hard hit. And you even used your left hand. It's pretty tricky. I thought you were going to use your other hand. You guys are tough. Step position. Bow for you. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me go grab those white belts.
Are you going to give us our uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
One second.
No, I had to buy a uniform.
Oh.